families, enjoyed by families.
All right, so U of I student chef Ginny Gulas has been spending the hour with us, and she's giving us a fresh take on a winter salad. So tell everybody what we've been making.
So we just have simple salad, mixed baby greens, gorgonzola cheese, red pears that we just sliced up, candied walnuts, and then we made our own red wine vinaigrette.
Okay, what went into this vinaigrette again?
It was just red wine vinegar, sugar, honey, ground mustard, garlic.
A little sugar, a little salt.
Little sugar, yes.
Okay, so now it's time for the plating. How are we going to make this look fancy?
Okay, what we're going to do is, so we are using a square plate, which always makes things look prettier.
Okay.
And then we're going to take your pear slices and kind of angle them up.
Ooh.
It adds some height to your dish.
Okay.
And since this is yours, you can put our menu on.
Yeah, sure. We'll just have it look like a little star there. Okay. All right.
And then we'll take our walnuts and just kind of break them apart from when we caramelized them earlier and just spread them out. So just kind of spread those out on here.
Okay. Oh, yeah, those are still a little warm, huh?
Yeah, just a little bit. And then you'll just sprinkle some gorgonzola cheese.
Is less more with the gorgonzola?
Yes.
Okay. So just like a little sprinkling. Is that good? More?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Add some color, too.
Yeah.
And then just pour a little. Less is definitely more with this vinaigrette. It's very strong and tangy.
Okay.
So this is definitely... I'll probably pour like the whole thing on an accident, but...
And I will still love it, I promise. Okay, well,
there
this looks amazing. Very healthy.
Yes.
Pretty much?
Pretty much.
Yeah, minus the candied walnuts, but hey,
you know.
It's a splurge on a vegetarian dish. And this is actually going to be at your Spice Box meal. Remind everybody when it is.
January 30th. It's the first meal of the semester, so it's the first Friday meal. Just call the Spice Box for your reservation. We take them on the half hour.
All right, there you go. It's Ginny Gulas. You'll actually find Ginny's recipe for this salad on CILiving.tv, as well as a link to the Spice Box over on the U of I campus.